Hi everyone, I am B. Praveena, Assistant Professor of Mathematics in Institute of Aeronautical Engineering College. Today our topic is problems on change the order of integration. Okay, already we discussed in the previous sessions basic concepts of double integral, how to convert in polar form, how to convert in Cartesian form. We discussed in the previous sessions, right? Now we discussed about the problems on change the order of integration. This one also I discussed in the previous classes, theory part, right? Okay, theory part I discussed. Now I discuss that problems are change the order of integration. Okay, now the concept of the once I'll remind the concept of change the order of integration here. What is the concept of change the order of integration? Okay, I'll give the brief explanation of that. If you are changing the limits, okay, if you are taking the limits y is in terms of x and x is fixed, means for that case what is the concept here? Change the order of integration implies that the change the limit of integration. If the region of integration consists of vertical strip and a slide along x-axis, then in the changed order a horizontal strip along y-axis are to be considered as vice versa. Okay, that's the concept. I'm giving the brief explanation of that. That is working rule for that. Integral a to b, integral of y is equal to f1 of x, f2 of x, f of xy dy dx. For that case, once you observe for this, here what is fixed? X limit points are fixed. X limit points are fixed. And whatever the y limit points are f1 of x to f2 of x. Y limit points are f1 of x to f2 of x. That means here y is in terms of x. In terms of x. For this case, I am using change the order of integration concept for this. Okay, here first integration with respect to y and after that integration with respect to x, right? Y means, y integration first means y in terms of x and x limits are fixed. Now I'll change that as y limit points are, okay, y limits fixed. That is y is a to b and x limit points are in terms of y. That is f2 of x are y, f2 of y and x is equal to f2 of y. That means x limit points in terms of y. Here y limit points are, okay, fixed. Here y fixed and x in terms of y. Okay, how I'll change? By using the strip. Here in terms of dy dx, as I'll convert that as dx dy form by using horizontal strip. That's the concept. And the second case is, this one is the first one, and for the second case similarly the order of integration for this one. Okay, what is the concept of this here? Okay, here first dx dy. Okay, here similarly the order of integration for integral a to b, x limit points are in terms of y. For that case, what is the meaning of that? Here y limits fixed and x limits in terms of y. Right? That means first integrate with respect to y and x, as y limits fixed means first x integration, and after that means I'll write clearly that here a to b integral x is equal to f1 of y to f2 of y. Okay, that is f of xy into dx dy. Now I'll change that as integral of, okay, for the first LHS part I'll convert that as in the, okay, y limits as fixed and x limits are in terms of y. Now I'll change here x as fixed, y in terms of x. By using change the order of integration, now I'll convert that as f of xy into dy dx form. That is double integral of y limit points are f1 of x2, f2 of y. Here x fixed means x limit points are a to b. That means how I'll convert this? By using vertical step. By using vertical strip. This is the concept of the change the order of integration. In the previous case as by using horizontal strip I'll convert dy dx as dx dy form. For the second case I'll convert dx dy as dy dx. That means what? X in case x fixed means I'll convert y as fixed. Okay, y fixed and y is x is in terms of y. Okay. Now, these are the basic concepts of the change the order of integration for the two cases. Now, I'll go through the first question. For the first question here, change the order of integration and evaluate integral 0 to a integral x by a to the root x by a. Okay, and the function is here x square plus y square into dx dy. Once you observe here, what are the x limit points and what are the y limit points? First, we have to identify limit points of x and y. Here, the y limit points are y is in terms of x. That means y limit points are y is equal to x by a to root x by a. And what about the x limit points? 0 to a. X limit points are 0 to a. That means here once you observe the given question, y limits are in terms of x, x as fixed. That in that case, how to write this? Okay, how to write this? This is wrong. Once you identify the question, this is wrong. How to write this? This is equal to integral x is equal to 0 to a and y limit points are x by a to the root of x by a x square plus y square into dy dx. This is the exact question. Sometimes they are given the question like this. Okay. Now I have to convert that as x is equal to 0 to a and y as x by a to under root x by a x square plus y square into dy dx form. Okay. Now by using for this question I'm using change the order of integration. Okay. Change the order of integration. Okay, I'll take y fixed and x in terms of y. How I'll convert here? The given question is x fixed, y in terms of x. Now I'll convert by using change the order of integration. Y fixed and x is in terms of y. How I'll convert that? By using here horizontal strip. By using horizontal strip. Okay. Before going through that, in this integral, for a fixed x, y varies from x by a to root x by a, and then x varies from 0 to a. What I discussed now, that one only this. And next, hence we shall draw the curves. Okay. From that limit points, I am taking the curves. What are the two curves here? Y is equal to x by a and y is equal to under root x by a. These two are the curves. Okay. From that I'm taking, okay, from the two limit points I'm taking the curves as x is equal to ay and ay square is equal to x. Okay, x is equal to ay and ay square is equal to x. Once you observe what are the two curves form, these two are, one is in the straight line form and the other one is the parabolic form, right? One is the straight line and another one as the parabolic form. Okay, that means here it is the diagram, that is straight line. Ay is equal to x means it passes through the origin and ay square is equal to x means this is the parabolic form. Okay, now I'll take the intersecting point of these two curves. Okay, from the given curve equations, now let us find the intersecting point of the two curves. Okay, that means ay square is equal to x and another one as ay is equal to x. Once you observe these two are in x. Okay, I'm equating both the equations, that as ay is equal to ay square. that as ay is equal to ay square. From that, what is common here? Ay into, okay, ay, I'll write ay minus ay square is equal to 0. From that, I am taking common ay, that as y, okay, take not like this, I'll take like this, plus ay square minus ay square is equal to 0. Now I am taking ay common, that means y minus 1 is equal to 0. Ay into y minus 1 is equal to 0. And for that, equating with 0, y is equal to 0 and y minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, here y limit as 0 and y is equal to 1. Okay, here we got from the 2 points, from the 2 equations, we got y is 0 and y is equal to 1. Now substitute y is equal to 0 in any equation. Okay, simply take this as the first equation and this as the second equation. Substitute any equation. If y has 0, we got the x limit point. If y has 0, substitute in first equation, then x as 0. Then x as 0. If y is equal to 1, okay, substitute in the first equation again, we got x is equal to a. We got x is equal to a, right? Therefore, what are the intersecting points of that? First point as if y is 0, x is 0. That means intersecting points are 0, comma 0. And here x as y as 1, we got x as a. That means a comma 1. Okay, these two are the intersecting points. That means here, okay, these two are touches at, okay, that means here x as a and here y as 1. Okay, then initial point as 0 comma 0. The two are intersecting at a comma 1. Okay, let us take that as O A. Okay, now from the given curves intersecting points we got it. Now let us, the shaded region is the region of integration. Now we have to calculate this region integration value. Okay, now let us change the order of integration. For the question is fixed y. Okay, no, not now, let us fix y first. For a fixed y, x varies from ay square to ay. Okay, previous question form as x as fixed, y is in terms of x. By using the concept of change the order of integration, for that case, for a fixed y, x is varies from ay square to ay. Okay, x is varies from ay square to ay. How I'll convert that? By using horizontal step. By using horizontal step, this as p and q. Okay, what is p here? What is p? P point initially touches at the curve as parabolic curve, right? Parabolic curve, it touches that. P is equal to what? Ay square. That means ay square is equal to x. X limit point in terms of y. X limit point in terms of y. And q touches at the straight line. That equation form as ay is equal to x. Ay is equal to x. Therefore, the end point of the x limit as x is equal to ay. By using the concept of horizontal strip, let us change the order of integration. For that case, we got the x limit points are x is equal to ay square to x is equal to ay. X is equal to ay square to x is equal to ay. But what about the y limit points here? Y limit points are, once you observe here, the constant limits are y is equal to 0 and y is 1. Y is equal to 0 to 1. Okay, now take the given question now. Then y varies from 0 to 1. Hence the given integral after changing the order of integration. Then the given integral after changing the order of integration. Now once again I'll write the given question. X is equal to integral of x is equal to 0 to a and the y integral of y as y is equal to x by a to root x by a to x square plus y square into dy dx. This is the question. Now I'll convert by using change the order of integration, that is y is equal to 0 to 1 and x as ay square to ay. Ay square to ay. The function as x square plus y square into dx dy. X square plus y square into dx dy. Here first write dx, after this as dy. That is dx dy. Now first integrate with respect to x. Now I'll integrate here, that is integral y is equal to 0 to 1 x square integration with respect to x, that is x cube by 3 plus y square into 1 integration as x. Limit points are ay square to ay square to ay into dy, ay square into ay into dy. From that, now substitute the limit points of x here, that is y is equal to 0 to 1, upper point of x as, that is ay, that is a substitute in place of x cube, that is ay whole cube by 3 plus y square into, what about the x limit here, that is ay, x limit as ay plus minus of, okay, substitute the lower limit point, that as ay square whole cube by 3, ay square whole cube by 3 plus y square into x is ay square into dy, into dy. From that integral y is equal to 0 to 1. Okay, just simplify that, that is a cube y cube by 3 plus y cube into a minus a into y power 6 by 3 plus a into y power 4 into dy, into dy. From that, now integrate with respect to y. Once you observe, after substituting the x limits, it will completely converted in terms of y, right? Now substitute the limit. First, now integrate with respect to y, that is a cube into y power 4 by 3 into 4 plus a into, there also minus, okay, a into y power 4 by 4 minus a into y power 6 integration, that is y power 7 by 7 into 3 minus a into y power 5 by 5, a into y power 5 by 5. Then the limit points 0 to 1. Limit points are 0 to 1. Then substitute the limit points here. Upper point as a cube, y limit point 1 by 1 power 4, that is 1 by 3 fours are 12 plus a into 1 power 4, that is 1 by 4 minus a into 1 power 7 means 1 by 7 threes are 21 minus a into y power 5 means 1 by 5 minus, if you are substituting the lower limit, that is 0 completely, after substituting in place of x's, that is completely 0. From that, now the next step is here a cube by 12, wait, here any mistake, here a cube and there also a cube, right? That is a cube by 12 plus a power 4 minus a cube by 21 minus a by 5. Okay, after substituting the y limits like this, next step, here I will take the, okay, LCM for 12 and 21. What is the LCM of 12 and 21? That is a cube by 12 minus a cube by 21 plus a by 4 minus a by 4. Okay. After taking the LCM and simplify this, we got the final answer as a cube by 28 plus a by 20. A cube by 28 plus a by 20. Okay, that's the final answer for the first question. Just simplify here. Just take the LCM of 12 and 10 and subtract it. We got a cube by 28 directly. From this, a power 4 minus a power 5 means 4 and 5 LCM as 20 and substitute and subtract with this and we got a by 20. Therefore, the final answer of this first question by using change the order of integration, double integral of x square plus y square into dy dx is equal to how much? A cube by 28 plus a by 20. That's the final answer. Next question. Change the order of integration. Change the order of integration and evaluate integral 0 to 4a integral x square by 4a to 2 root ax into dy dx. 2 root ax dy dx. Once you observe for this question, okay, for the given question, what are the fixed limit points and what are the various in x or y. Okay, once you observe here, x limit points are, okay, y limit points are fixed or x limit points are fixed. Y limit points are in terms of x, that is x square by 4a to 2 root ax. And what about the x limit points? Here the x limit points are 0 to 4a, right? X limit points are 0 to 4a. Now by using change the order of integration, okay, given question has x fixed, y in terms of x. By using change the order of integration now, y fixed and x in terms of y. Let us take that as y fixed and x is in terms of y. That's the concept. Now I'll convert that as y as fixed and x is in terms of y by using the given conditions in the question. Okay. In the given integral, for a fixed x, y varies from. What are the y limit points here? Y limit points are x square by 4a to 2 root ax, right? X square by 4a to 2 root ax. And then x varies from what? X limit points are 0 to 4a. Once you observe from the two limit points, let us draw the curves. What are the curves here? Y is equal to x square by 4a. From that, and y is equal to 2 root ax. From that, I'll take x square is equal to 4ay from this and y square is equal to 4ax. Okay. And y square is equal to 4 into ax. From these two curves, okay, let us draw the diagram from these two. The region of integration is the shaded region is given. Okay, whatever the diagram here, I draw this. Here it is there. Then here, then the limit points, I got the two curves. The two are in parabolic form only. The two are, one is x square is equal to 4ay and the another one is y square is equal to 4ax, right? X square is equal to 4ay and y square is equal to 4ax. Then I draw the diagram of that. X square is equal to 4ay, sorry. This as this one and this as y square is equal to 4ax. Okay, y square is equal to 4ax. From this shaded region, now we have to find the value of the given question. Okay, by using change the order of integration. Okay, from first, okay, after this diagram, where the two are intersecting. First, I'll find out the intersecting points from the parabolic equation. Let us take this as the first equation and this as the second equation, right? From the first equation, x square is equal to 4ay and y square is equal to 4ax. Substitute 1 in second equation. Substitute 1 in second equation. That is, what is second equation? Y square is equal to 4a into x square. X square means here 4ay whole square. I'm taking from this equation, this as y square is equal to 4ax form. I'll take squaring on both sides. That is, y power 4 is equal to 16a square x square. 16a square x square. Okay. Now substitute the first equation in this here. 16a square into 4a x square in place of x square, that as 4ay. Okay. From that, 16a square into 4ay here in LHS side 5 power 4. 1 y and 1 y cancel. Y cube is equal to 16 fours are, okay, 64 into a cube. Right, from that y cube is equal to what? 4a whole cube. From that both sides 3 cancel, powers cancel, therefore what is y? Y is equal to 4a. What is y? Y is equal to 4a and another y is from this concept, y is 0. Okay, here y is equal to 0 and y is equal to 4a. Okay, if you know the y limit points, okay, y as 0 and y is equal to 4a means substitute the 2 points either in first equation or second equation, we got the x limit points. Okay, if you are substituting y is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 in the first equation, from that what about x? 0. What about x? 0. If you are substituting y is equal to 4a, y is equal to 4a, substitute again in the first equation, from that we got x also 4a. Directly I am writing that as x also 4a. Therefore, what are the intersecting points here? 0, 0 and 4a, 4a. That are the intersecting points. Now I'll take the intersecting points. Then intersecting point as a, I'll take that intersecting point of a as 4a, 4a and the initial as 0, 0. That is origin. Okay. These are the intersecting points. Now, by using change the order of integration for the question, we must fix y. Okay, we must, in that question as x is fixed, but now I'm converting that as fixed as y. Okay, for a fixed y, x varies from x square by 4a to root 4a. How do I take the limit points of x? By using horizontal strip or vertical strip? By using horizontal strip or vertical strip? Horizontal strip only. From that, okay, let us take the horizontal strip here. From that, I'll take this as the P and this as the Q point. Where it touches P at y square is equal to 4ax. Y square is equal to 4ax. From that, what about the x limit point? X is equal to y square by 4a. X is equal to y square by 4a. From the end point of Q, that it touches at x square is equal to 4ay, right? X square is equal to 4ay. From that, what about x? Root 4ay. Root 4ay. Therefore, the limit points here, x is equal to 4 y square by 4a to root 4ay. That means x limit points y square by 4a to 2 root ay. 2 root ay. These are the x limit points. Now we can take the y limits as the fixed points, from that y as 0 and 4a. Y limit points are 0 to 4a. Therefore, y limit points 0 to 4a. Okay. Now take the change the order of integration, from that here y is equal to 0 to 4a and x limit points are x integration of x is equal to y square by 4a to 2 root ay, okay, into integration dx dy. Okay. Now first integrate with respect to x. Now the first integration is with respect to x. That is one integration as x and the limit points are y square by 4a to 2 root ay. And the next integration, integral of y is equal to 0 to 4a dy. Now substitute the limit points here. Now substitute the limit points, x limit points 2 root ay minus y square by 4a into dy, right? Into dy. From that integral 0 to 4a 2 root a power 1 by 2 and y is also I'll write simply that as y power 1 by 2 minus I'll take 1 by 4a into y square into dy. Into dy. From that integral 0 to 4a, okay, don't hit this, that is this. Okay, from that integrate with respect to y, that is 2a power 1 by 2 into y power 1 by 2 integration as y power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 1 by 4a into y square integration is y cube by 3. And what are the limit points for that? 0 to 4a. Okay, 0 to 4a. Therefore, 2 into a power 1 by 2 y power 3 by 2 by this as 3 by 2. This as 3 by 2 minus 1 by 4a into y cube by 3. Then substitute the limit points here. What are the limit points for that? 0 to 4a. That is, here I am taking the reciprocal of that. That is 4 by 3 into root a into upper limit point of y as 4a power 3 by 2 minus 1 by 4a into 4a whole cube by 3. 4a whole cube by 3 here. 4 by 3 into root a. I'll write this is directly, that is root a into 4 power 2, 4 I'll write that as 2 square whole power 3 by 2 into a power 3 by 2. Minus 1 by 4a into, I'll write 4a whole cube as 4a into 4a whole square divided by 3. Okay, from that 4 by 3 into root a into a power 3 by 2. Root a means a power 1 by 2 into a power 3 by 2, that is a square. Minus here 2 square power 2 cancel, that is 2 cube as 8. 2 cube as 8 minus 4a cancel, that is 4a whole square means what? That is 16a square by 3. 16a square by 3. From that 4 8s are 32a square by 3 minus 16a square by 3. Okay, what is the LCM of that here? That is 3. That is 32a square minus 16a square. 32a square minus 16a square. Okay, just subtracted. We got the answer as 16a square by 3. That has 16a square by 3. Therefore, the second question, that is double integral of, okay, integral x is 0 to 4a, integration of y is equal to x square by 4a to 2 root ax dy dx. Answer is how much? 16a square by 3. Okay, 16a square by 3. That's the final answer for the second question. Further, once again I'll repeat the topic here. Change the order of integration means in the question is given as x as fixed, y is in terms of x means for that case by using change the order of integration, okay, we have to take y as fixed, x is in terms of y, okay, by using horizontal or vertical step. Okay, and another one is I'll explain here. Okay, for the given question, okay, but the concept of change the order of integration is here x is fixed, y is in terms of x means for that case by using the horizontal step we can take y as fixed and x is in terms of y, right? Y fixed and x is in terms of y. For the second is y limit is fixed and x is in terms of y means For that case, use vertical step. For that case, we can take x is fixed and y is in terms of x. Okay, these are the two cases for by using change the order of integration. Okay, these are the two are the related questions of change the order of integration. Okay, next class we will discuss the other topic on double integral. Okay, thank you for all.
Like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.